Hey guys, so I know I'm not in my typical area of where I'm filming, but I just finished doing a Temu haul over on my other channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs. Temu is, in my opinion, absolutely amazing. I'll tell you why in a second, but if you're new here, hello, welcome. This is a giveaway that we're gonna be talking about today. But if you're new, hello, welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here, we're all about embracing the hot mess in this judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where, no, I don't typically film in this room on this channel, but if you're curious of what goes down, then check out my channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, where I do a lot of curvy girl fashion hauls. Like I just did this one. Oh my gosh, if you guys could see some of the stuff that I just hauled from Temu. Shookity shock. Make sure to check me out over there. And you guys, today we're talking Temu. You all know that I have been doing hauls left and right. I've been trying on Temu makeup, everything, saving you guys some coin and having a good time doing it. So we're talking Temu. Temu has a giveaway going on, and they asked me to be a part of letting you guys know about the big new giveaway that is going on with Temu. So thank you to Temu for sponsoring today's video. I'm so excited to share this with you guys, how you guys can not only earn money, but earn free stuff. So let's go ahead, let me jump in and show you guys how you can earn some free goodies with the Temu app. Everybody loves free stuff, and with Temu's hat trick draw game, everyone can win free gifts on Temu's app. So here's how to play. You just pick 3 gifts that you like, draw from the magic hat to collect its item, and then collect all 3 gifts in the game to win. Before the game starts, you can choose 3 items that you like to get for free. And during the game, you will also have a chance to get other various rewards such as energy or coupons. You can get 3 items around and up to 30 items a day. Just click my link, download the Temu app, and win 3 free gifts. Temu has everything from fashion to jewelry, kitchenware to pet supplies. Temu also provides consumers with top quality products at ultra affordable prices so that more people can enjoy the conveniences and comforts of life. To learn more about Temu, make sure to visit temu.com or just download the Temu app. It's literally that easy, so make sure to check my description box down below and download the Temu app today. So friends, that is how you can enter in and win with Temu free products. I just hauled this and I actually forgot that I was hauling it and had placed an order because I order a lot from Temu. Anyway, so this is something that maybe you might want to consider for your free giveaway, or maybe these really cute shoes, or maybe this really cute dress. I don't know, because they have everything from home, beauty, men's clothes, kids clothes, women clothes, straight sizes, curvy sizes, you name it, hair, skincare. Oh my gosh, the list literally goes on. One of y'all even told me they have things for horses. So I, of course, do I have a horse? No. But did I go look? Yeah. You know what else I did? I looked at gardening supplies. So when you are picking what 3 gifts you are interested in, make sure you check everything out over at Temu, okay? Because you don't want to miss out on earning free money, free gifts, and the whole kit and caboodle. So anyways, I know you guys have watched over on this channel, or even in the kitchen channel, where I would do baked potatoes in a bag in the microwave. So I found this. You guys told me that wouldn't be good. This is literally something that you can pick up for like next to nothing over at Temu, and you put your little baked potatoes in here. You can pop them in the microwave, whoopity bambity boom, you got yourself a baked potato right from your microwave. So anyways, when I say Temu has everything, they legitimately have everything. So definitely make sure to check out the Temu app. I'm gonna have a link and of course coupon code and everything for you all. As far as entering into the giveaway, all of that will be down below. So definitely make sure to check out Temu. Let me know some of your favorite things that you've picked up from Temu, because your girl's always on that app. I'm always on that app, and that app, my friend, is so freaking organized that if you miss something for today or yesterday or the day before, don't worry, they got it organized per date. Sorry. Anyways, friends, thank you once again to Temu for sponsoring today's video. Make sure to enter in to the giveaway to win yourself some free Temu money, some free Temu coupons, and of course, some free Temu products. You just can't beat it. Big shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. You don't have to help support the channel, but you choose to, and I appreciate each and every single one of y'all. Make sure to check out my other channels, Hot Mess in the Kitchen, for fun kitchen gadget things, cooking, and all kinds of little things. And then of course, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, where I do curvy girl fashion hauls in my room. So don't miss out. Go ahead and subscribe. I'd love to have you. Thanks again to Temu, and until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby.